Hi, I'm very Franz. This is Roblox Studio. And let's say you're creating your game and you have to add the audio to your game. So let's go to Toolbox. I added it. And let's look for audio. And here you can find a lot of free musics, free audio you can use. And I will choose, for example, electronic style and something. Let me see this. Okay, it's okay, I will insert it. Now I have it here. Let us see its properties. So first I have to choose in properties looped, playing, and whatever you want else. You can change the volume, you can change the speed. Normally it's 1. You can just type 1. That's it. Thank you.